Good morning, everyone, and I say good morning because I woke up quite early to start filming for you guys. And yeah, I woke up at 6:40 this morning. I came downstairs, I got ready, I got dressed and everything, and the time now is 8:15 because I think I started filming like 7. I think I've basically been filming for an hour. It could be less than that. But anyways, welcome to a new video. Welcome to, I think this is day 5. I don't know. Un momento, por favor. Yeah, this is day 5 of 24 days of True Beauty. I owe you guys, I think today now, I owe you 4 videos. After this one, it'll be 3 videos that I owe you guys. But I owe you guys some videos, and I first off want to apologize for not getting the other videos uploaded. I've just been really tired. I also haven't been going to bed at a decent hour at all. That's my own fault. I'm gonna try and do better in the future so that I'm not so behind. We're up to day 8 now, so yeah. That shows how well I've been keeping up with the schedule. But yeah, I'm really sincerely sorry about not being able to upload for the past I think 3 days, 4 days. Yeah. I was supposed to film a video with my friend, but we just lost track of the day. And as great as this little ring light is at lighting my videos for myself, I didn't think it was gonna do much for 3 people because it was supposed to be me, my sister, and my friend Adonis. I think we are gonna try and film that video again. But yeah, thank you so much for joining and for supporting me if you are here. And yeah, let's just get along with the video and get started. Okay, so I already whoa. Wow. Okay, so I already did one eye off of camera just to save time. I'm gonna go back and this eye. And to start off, I'm gonna dip into the BH Cosmetics. Which palette is this? Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. I'm gonna take like the brown, the reddish brown shade in the first row. Yeah, first row, 6th column. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in my crease, kind of up to my brow bone, not really touching my brow bone. If that makes sense. Yeah, that's gonna go all throughout the crease. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm gonna take the chocolate brown shade and my brush felt. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking the chocolate brown shade that's in there because it's a little bit darker than the shade that I used previously. Now I'm gonna go in with the first brush we used and just go along those edges to blow them out. now I'm going back to that BH Cosmetics palette, and the kind of chocolatey brown but darker shade next to the first shade we use is gonna go right in my crease. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lid. I'm not gonna cut all the way, I'm just gonna cut, okay, yeah, I'm not gonna cut all the way. I'm just going to cut, well, you guys are gonna see, but I think, yeah, I'm gonna cut like up to here and then set it down with some powder. Well, not powder, eyeshadow, but you guys know what I mean. Now I'm gonna go back into the BH Cosmetics palette. And there's a shade next to, well, not next to, it's like 2 colors over from the chocolate brown shade we used as our transition color. And that's the color that I'm gonna use to put on my lid.
Letting go. No, no, no. Holding on. I can't accept the past. Look back, smile and laugh or cry. But I don't want to. For that beautiful normally.
For lashes today, I'm going to be taking the Ardell Mega Volume in 250. And these are like an OG lash on my channel. These are like one of the first ever lashes I tried. Because I never used to wear lashes. Just in case you're new and you didn't know that. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and prime my skin earlier before I did my right eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my base. For foundation today, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in Truffle or 362 if you go by the numbers, and Fenty Beauty 430.
It was instant magic, breaking rules and heartfelt from the start. Taking risks, trying new things, opening up our hearts.
I'm gonna go ahead and blend that all in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush.
No
So I'm gonna go in with concealer, and this is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm also going to take some of the Sephora collection Brighter Days concealer in the shade Toffee. And I don't think I said it, but in Maybelline Age Rewind, I am in the shade Tan. Okay, I think now I want to do under my eyes, like my lower lash line, I should say. And I'm basically going to do what I did on top. But I'm going to start with the darkest color first. And take that like on the very tip of my brush. And move that along my lash line, and I'm gonna go from the middle of my eye out and the middle of my eye in. I actually learned this from Karen or I Love Saeed, and I like how her under eye always looks when she does it. It always looks so smooth and seamless. And I'm just trying to get on that level. Next, I'm gonna dip into the Zulu palette. And take the brown shade. Gonna do some lower lash line mascara. Also guys, can we talk about how amazing Jackie Aina's lashes are, because they are. And Karen's has really great lashes too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour now, and I'm taking the same palette I always use, which if this is the first video you're stumbling upon on my channel, then you don't know, but it's the Black Radiance Beauty True Complexion Contour Palette, and it's in medium to dark.
Now I've been
I think I'm gonna go ahead and define my contour just a little bit. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and spray my face. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face down with some Mario Badescu. Felt like I was looking a little ashy / dry. Shall we do highlight? Hi, hello. Is this okay? Okay. So for highlight today, I'm taking the Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter.
Empty, but it is open. I used to get love plenty, but it's no longer here.
For lips today, I'm taking ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Avenue.
No, no, no. Holding on, I can't accept a pause. You look back, smile and laugh or cry, but I don't want to. For that beautiful anomaly, that's what we did create.
And we're done. And the lipstick fell. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of some more videos that you want to see. And I will catch you guys a little bit later on for the next video.